A good client, when you're doing onboarding, will even ask you for a marketing plan. You should know how to make a good marketing plan. If you don't know how, that's not a problem. Watch this video till the end, you'll learn, and then you won't have to worry. I'll give you the complete marketing plan. Just comment in your inbox. The word marketing and this entire video, along with the complete marketing plan, I will send to your inbox. Let's start. What does a marketing plan consist of? The very first slide will be the executive summary. Here, you talk about yourself and your agency. Don't overpraise yourself. Be realistic. The second slide, what is the name of this business or info business and what is its core difference? Show everything. Slide 3, marketing goals. What results does the team want? Write down everything, leads, sales, awareness, all of it. Next, slide 4 is competitor analysis. What is the competitor doing? Where are they excelling? And how does their position compare to ours? Then, slide 5 is SWOT analysis. What are the stresses, weaknesses, and opportunities, and how can we address them? The plan should give the feeling that you have thought about everything regarding him and his brand from every possible angle. Slide 6 is the target market overview. In this, you will write where the audience is available, on which channels they are present, whether the audience is on Meta, TikTok, Instagram, Google, or Snapchat. Where are they available? And what are those people doing? What is their pricing strategy? Are they just viewing things, liking, commenting, but not purchasing? Or what is their activity? You will write all these details. In the customer slide, how does the customer see it for the first time, stock it, or make a purchase? The entire user journey maps. Slide 8 is your unique selling point, USP. Why is your brand different from others? Here, you will write about your brand and its USP. This is the slide where you win the client's heart. Slide 9. This is the branding principle and layout. Here, you will write about branding. What are the colors? Which ones to use? Where the logo will go? The tone. Slide 10 is about marketing channels. Facebook, Insta, Google, TikTok, flyers, online, offline. Everything will be included here. Slide 11. This is majorly about KPIs. How will you measure your efforts? How will you track growth? Do you need efficiency, ROAS, or CPL? Which metrics will you work on? Here, slide 12, marketing strategy and tactics. This is where the real game begins. Which step needs to be taken when, which campaign should run at what time, when to stop it, how much effort it will require, how much budget will be needed. All of this you have to plan here. Slide 13, marketing budget. How much money is needed for what purpose and how much will be spent. You have to cover all of that here. Slide 14, team. Can you do everything alone by yourself? You will need the help of a team, and for those people whose help you need, you will write about them here. To achieve your KPIs, whoever's help you require, you will include their details here. And slide 15 is the final thought. Here you will add a bit of confidence. In this slide, you will tell the client and make them feel that yes, you are the right person for this. If you want this complete strategy and full marketing plan, comment marketing and get it directly in your inbox.